I want to show you guys my Mcculloch chainsaw. It's a 1-40, 80 cc's, and I just put a 32-inch bar and chain on it. Pretty nice saw for what it is. Nothing special, you know. I think they made this model 1959 or 60 or 61 or something. But this saw I bought at an auction. I paid $15 for it. You know, it had a regular 18-inch bar on it, but it was in this exact condition, you know. Besides the sticker, I kind of ruined that with a little bit of solvent, you know, cleaning it up. Like I said, you know, it's not a real special saw or anything. I've seen some better ones, some better Mccullochs and stuff, but you know, for what it is, I like it. You know, I'll take this over a steel saw any day. You know, but I like these old Mccullochs, these old vintage saws. You know, wish I had a bigger one, a 125 or maybe a 105 or something. You know, but for what I paid for this, you know, and the bar and chain, I think I got a hell of a deal. You know, the bar and chain I ordered off of eBay. I had to do a little bit of modifying to get it to fit on there. The guy told me it would fit, but I had to do a little bit of modifying to actually get it to fit. For the chain adjuster and the oiler, there was a hole for the oiler, for the oil to actually come through, and the hole in the bar, you know. But yeah, it's a nice little saw, you know. It's just in great condition, I think. Alright, thanks for watching.